gosh, it was windy.
It's windy. We nearly flew away.
No. Guy ropes I put on were good. They're still on. The first rays of sunlight peeked through the clouds, casting a warm glow on our tent. I slowly unzipped the door. As I stepped out, I was greeted by a breathtaking panorama of the Mont Blanc range bathed in golden light. The snow-capped peaks seemed to touch the sky, their majestic silhouettes contrasting against the vibrant hues of the sunrise. Nut banana, all the bilberries that I picked yesterday, some chocolate and some oats, ready for some hot water. So yeah, gonna have a cup of coffee. That's it. Sunshine! Yay! Look at it! Look at that! Beautiful. Get ready for our porridge now. And another coffee. Sunshine makes everything better now. We decided to make the most of our peaceful morning and enjoy a leisurely breakfast. We had gathered and foraged bilberries the day before during our 3 to 4 hour window when we were not permitted to pitch the tent. We added them to the porridge, creating a delicious and nutritious meal. We decided to perch on a rock with the most perfect view of the sunrise. We savoured every bite and soaked in the tranquility of our surroundings before packing up. So our plan now, having looked at the forecast, which looks like Refuge du Lac Blanc has thunder at about 6-7 p.m. tonight,
Lightning.
with -4 degrees on Mount Blanc, so it'll be a little bit warmer than that. We've decided to drop down.
Yes, no camping at Blanc, so we're going to still do a bit of a hike now, go up to Lac Blanc Refuge, and then along the tops down to Flegeray, and then make our way down from there.
So we'll catch you in a bit. Here we go. Have a ladder. Packing up camp and leaving no trace behind, we headed up to Lac Blanc. Approaching the lake, we were greeted by the enchanting sound of panpipes played by a fellow hiker. The combination of the music, which you'll soon hear, and the surrounding beauty was a moment we won't forget. We couldn't resist stopping at the Refuge du Lac Blanc for a warm drink and a bite to eat. And here we're reflecting on how far we've come in the past couple of days and where we pitched the tent last night. Hi. very pretty. Another one. Yes. Boom. Our original plan was to camp at Belechat and to continue on the TMB, but the weather forecast for the evening called for thunder and lightning. Having already endured extreme winds, sub-zero temperatures, snow and torrential rain, we decided it was best not to chance it with a storm on one of our final nights. Instead, we took the cable car down to La Praz and walked into Chamonix. It wasn't the way we'd planned to finish, but after the challenges of the past few days, it felt like the perfect way to close out this incredible journey. Food over there. Disappointingly, this was the only vegetarian option available. There she is. Come on then.
Wow!
That's Chamonix then.
Refuge du Lac Blanc. A little sunbathe. Wow. Woohoo!
So we decided to take the cable car, but a different one because Brevent was shut a couple of days ago, so we heard. So we've come down this one instead.
Refuge du Lac Blanc.
Yeah, and then we need to figure out what we're going to do.
So we're going to arrive in Chamonix. We've a little bit left of the journey.
Yeah.
We're done.
During the remainder of the cable car journey, we decided to book a last-minute hotel. We were excited to reach our next destination, the Park Hotel Suisse, a luxurious hotel nestled in the heart of Chamonix with breathtaking views of the mountains. Here we go. Here we go. Smells fresh. Lovely bath. Single toilet.
That's
Very good. Got one bathrobe there. It's very dark in here. Ooh. There we go. Mini bar is stocked. Here we go.
balcony. completed it.
Nearly. And here we've picked a wine from the eastern region of the Alps. There we go. Very nice.